Good morning everybody, and this is your SP 500 setups for today. So nothing really happening. We're still very much in this what looks like a flag. You keep falling, keep coming back, and yesterday was no difference. This morning we've just started off with a fairly strong green bar. I'm not going to read much into it because we still have not touched one of these levels. So the level that we're looking for at the moment is 50.50. Exact level is 50.52. And it could probably extend all the way down to 50.37. So somewhere in that zone you are looking for an opportunity to buy. So still very much a flag. We do have a higher low here. If you look at that on the 3-hour, oscillators all over the place, not really giving us much indication, but do have a higher low, no higher high. And this level at the top here at 50.78 is what we keep bouncing off. So we keep sort of bumping our head here and selling off. So for me right now, we've got a string of data which people are waiting for, which is just going to indicate where the economy is, where interest rate cuts are coming in. Some at speculation at the moment. We're supposed to be March, it's no longer March. Some are saying June, some saying July, some people saying it'll be put on hold till after the elections. Yeah, you've still got the electioneering in there as well. So you could have the current political party wanting to cut rates to win votes as well. But anyway, there's a lot of noise at the moment. So you just need to be very careful about what trade you take. Now, when we drill down to the hour, you can see the significance of 50.78. We did get up there. We really didn't touch this 50.52, which is what I would have preferred. But what we did do was tag this little level, which is 50.56. Now that's just a 1-hour fractal there. Pretty nice tail there, not quite a pin bar, but nice tail. We bounced off it and then just in amongst the moving averages. So ideally we need to get above 50.78 and retest for us to look for longs. This is a signal that we have a higher low in place. Also we have diversions from over the previous 2 days. So there's what was that? That was Tuesday's low. This is Wednesday's low. And if you draw a line down there, you can see it's a lower low. If you look at your oscillators, it's a higher high, or higher low, should I rather say. So, not both of them, just the one oscillator. So for me, there's still a lot of confusion. I don't trust this, and I think when you look at this in the 50-minute, you'll see exactly what I'm referring to. And it is above and below the moving averages. So we started above, rapid fall below, touched this level, and then got going again. And to be quite honest, I would have expected us to find some support in this area for an attempt to break through the flag yesterday morning. That didn't happen. So now we are gapping all over the place. And this is just the Chinese market or the Asian markets which are driving this right now. And I'm not going to read much into it. So I think for me, it's a wait and see. Wait for the open. Wait and see what the data says, and then take a look at it from there. If we have some really positive data, you'll probably see a sharp, strong move past 50.78. Then what you're going to be doing is you're going to be waiting for a pullback. Doesn't necessarily have to be to 50.78, but it can definitely be any of these tails, provided price has gone past it. So if price goes past any of these tails that you see here, that is where I'd be watching for price to come back and turn off. So that's kind of the view that I've got. This gap down here, for me, indicates we're probably coming back. I don't want to be buying off the bottom of the flag just yet, until we get down to 50.50 and we see some solid price action at 50.50. So that's going to be an inside bar, golfing bar, or pin bar on the 15 minutes. And I'd like it to be backed up on the hour as well. So when we look at the hour chart, we have the same kind of setup. That is going to be your signal to buy the bottom of the flag, and first target will be top of flag, and then pullback should be another higher low, a more decent, well-structured higher low, which would then get you an opportunity to buy it again for the break of the flag. That just depends on what noise comes through today. So anyway, for today, this is sideways. It's chaotic. It's not giving us anything of substance. So I would be very cautious of jumping in on this at the moment. That's kind of my view. Wait and see. We'll see what happens at the open. And what I'm looking for is a break of 50.78 before I jump in long, or alternatively a visit of 50.50 and a proper price action set up on 50.50. And you're probably going to have to go left just below 50.50 and look for micro levels. So you can see there is some structure. You've got more. There's another one there. And if you just go across to something like the 4 or 3 hour, you see there's level there. There's a level. There's a level. That's a level, and that's a big significant level because it's a weekly high. It's a weekly swing high. There's another one just below it. So you need to wait for price to touch this and basically give you the signal that we need to be buying. Alternatively, it's the break. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.